If you want to learn something new in a foreign language, you have to enjoy the experience. It's simply not possible to acquire new words in a stressful environment. In order to acquire new vocabulary, you also need to produce language. Use those new words in a practical way. To optimize the acquisition of new language, you should ideally prepare before you practice something new. This will accelerate your learning. A phase of conscious learning before putting new language into practice will help you to process the information and then really appropriate new vocabulary long term. Being corrected, guided, and motivated by a teacher as you practice will anchor this new knowledge. Participating in a practical workshop every 6 weeks or so will give you a positive and motivating learning experience, as well as giving you something to aim for in your study. Spending 3 or 4 hours speaking English, simulating situations in a convivial and relaxed atmosphere, is an immersive experience which will enhance your confidence and pleasure in speaking English. During a workshop, we'll validate the skills that you've developed in your personal study. With plenty of time to prepare and the motivation of practicing what you've learned in a fun way, we know you will progress.